So, what was your experience speaking at BITC 2026?
I think it was a great experience. This was for the first time ever that I was on stage, and the fact that I was the only woman on the inaugural panel looks like there has been a very, a transformation that women in tech are also representing. So it was a great experience, and also all the lovely speakers on the panel. I think they have also given much insight about where AI is heading, where West Bengal is also heading when it comes to the IT industry. So much learning from there.
So, what advice would you give to the business leaders looking to innovate?
I think maybe use Quick Studio because that's the best platform that you can start things with, and we have made it so easy that you can have like smaller engineering teams, smaller development team, and you can start off with something great. So that advice, and other thing would be just chase your dreams. If you have some dream and you want to create something, just go after it. You do not know what's in store for you.
Okay, so how important are events like BITC for the business and technology community?
I think such events are extremely important because, like I said earlier, that you get to learn so much. Technology is moving at a very fast pace, and AI is almost moving ahead and changing every passing day. So to keep up with it, to understand what the fraternity is doing, how where the industry is moving, you should be part of events like this to take back a lot of learning and also networking, maybe partnerships. So such events are crucial, and I think it's one of the largest events that happens in East India. So you kind of get a pulse of what's happening in the eastern part of India, and also we have seen much companies come down from the rest of India as well. So I think we are actually moving ahead quite a bit when it comes to IT in the nation, and to learn about things like this, I think such places are the best.
So, what advice would you give to the business leaders looking to innovate?
Use Quick Studio. Yeah, I mean, what better advice can I give? We have made it all simple for everybody. You can have smaller engineering groups now. You can create whatever your idea is much faster. The timelines can be shrinked as well. So, and we are bringing it soon on 15th of September. So I think it'll be live as well. I think a great platform for people to start off with. Other than that, I would just say that, if you have an idea, just chase because you do not know what's in store for you.